G'day. I'm with Simone, one of the coaches for our online business. She's brilliant. But I just want to ask you, Simone, what do you find the most beneficial thing about being a coach for these people that are starting an online business?
It's crucial they have a coach to start with, and we just basically talk to them for about 15 minutes when they first come into the business and find out why they came in, what are they looking for, what's their pain. Usually they just have hit a spot in life they want to change, and we just build a relationship. Actually, it's amazing. You become very good friends with people, and you just guide them through and keep them accountable. Basically, let them know what they need to know, not what they want to know. And it's really rewarding actually. So we just basically are in touch with them on a daily basis. We get them to do tasks and make sure they do those tasks, and we actually don't let them go further until they've completed it. So they've got to be they've got to be motivated, have a big reason why, have an entrepreneurial mindset, and we just encourage them through it basically, and whether to talk to and do that.
Well, I'd like to just say thanks to you and all the other coaches around the globe for the work that you do, helping these people be able to set up and become successful online.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's very rewarding, but we do work really hard. We do.
Good.
It's great, but it's a lot of hours. We spend the time, and we're all interested to help them and see them succeed.
Okay.
And it's great to follow their journey.
Great.
Through it. Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. Cheers, everyone.
Bye.